And today we're going for 2 days kiteboarding trip. So without the further ado, the plan is meet the driver, take some stuff, go to another place, take some more stuff, go to gas station, take some coffee, go to fourth place, take another dude, then drive for 2 hours, and then we're gonna be in the spot. Let's have Kiteboarder's breakfast. Best coffee in the world. Alright folks, so 2 hours passed like that and we just arrived to Svencelė Kite spot. We have a shallow shore over here in the Curonian Lagoon, so it's super good for learning. Hello, welcome! Welcome to Tara. Oh, what a bad attitude! This is Ignas Drevinskas. Yes. See how bad he is. We'll get a kite penalty for this motherfucking finger.
Brother, look, fresh smell.
Oh, fresh items. I was a good boy and now I will get some gifts from Ignas.
Yeah,
thank you.
Man. Are we gonna rock it?
Welcome to Surf Lounge TV show. Help, mom, help me. Give me another brain. Right, so finished kiteboarding session for today. Second part was way more stronger, but I left without the GoPro. So you won't see the best moments of today. Sad. Blah. Now it's time to rest, eat, sleep, and repeat tomorrow morning.
Day 2, weather is great. Today I will try to learn a new move. It's called kiteloop. I will do jump and then rotate the kite to accelerate more power. I hope everything is gonna be fine. Landed, bitch! Not very clear, but still, my first kinda kite move on the record. Woo! Nice! Let's take a second break. Still need to go higher, but at least 2 50-50 tries in my account.
That's great, leave a like. Woo! I mean, how much licking you can watch in one video?